Which is the oldest mountain range in India? Answer: Aravalli. The Indira Point is the southernmost point of India. Where is it located? Answer: Great Nicobar. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? Answer: Gujarat. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through which state? Answer: Odisha. Through which pass does the river Satluj enter India from Tibet? Answer: Shipkila Pass. Which channel separates the Andaman Islands from the Nicobar Islands? Answer: 10-degree channel. What is the rank of India in the world in terms of land area? Answer: 7th. The standard meridian of India passes through which city? Answer: Mirzapur. Which is the highest peak in the Western Ghats? Answer: Anamudi. The Park Strait separates India from which country? Answer: Sri Lanka. Which river is known as the Dakshina Ganga? Answer: Godavari. The Majuli Island, the largest river island in the world, is in which state? Answer: Assam. Which river flows through a rift valley in India? Answer: Narmada. Which is the largest saltwater lake in India? Answer: Chilika Lake. Which river is known as the sorrow of Bihar? Answer: Kosi. The Hirakund Dam is built on which river? Answer: Mahanadi. Which river forms the Duandhar Falls? Answer: Narmada. The Amarkandak Plateau is the source of which river? Answer: Narmada and Son. The Mettur Dam is built on which river? Answer: Kaveri. Which river is called the Yarlung Sangpo in Tibet? Answer: Brahmaputra. The rigor soil is another name for which type of soil? Answer: black soil. Which state is the leading producer of tea in India? Answer: Assam. Which state is the leading producer of coffee in India? Answer: Karnataka. The black soil is best suited for the cultivation of. Answer: Cotton. Which state is known as the rice bowl of India? Answer: Andhra Pradesh. Which of the following is a kharif crop? Answer: rice. Which state is the largest producer of rubber in India? Answer: Kerala. Which state is the leading producer of jute in India? Answer: West Bengal. Which state has the highest production of wheat? Answer: Uttar Pradesh. The Nagpur city is famous for which fruit? Answer: orange. The Silent Valley National Park is located in which state? Answer: Kerala. Where is the Valley of Flowers National Park located? Answer: Uttarakhand. The Dudhwa National Park is located in which state? Answer: Uttar Pradesh. The Sundarbans are which type of forest? Answer: mangrove. The Jim Corbett National Park was formerly known as. Answer: Haley National Park. The Simlipal Biosphere Reserve is located in. Answer: Odisha. The Bandipur National Park is located in. Answer: Karnataka. The Kaziranga National Park is famous for. Answer: one-horned rhino. The Gir forest is the only home of. Answer: Asiatic lion. Which state has the largest forest cover by area? Answer: Madhya Pradesh. Which is the oldest oil refinery in India? Answer: Digboi. Which state is the largest producer of bauxite in India? Answer: Odisha. The Bhilai steel plant was established with help from. Answer: USSR. The Kudremukh iron ore mines are located in. Answer: Karnataka. Which city is known as the Manchester of India? Answer: Ahmedabad. Which city is known as the Steel City of India? Answer: Jamshedpur. Which is the largest producer of gold in India? Answer: Karnataka. The Hindustan shipyard is located at. Answer: Vishakhapattanam. Which is the most abundant mineral in India? Answer: iron ore. The Kandla port is located in which state? Answer: Gujarat.